Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got another purchase that we made here, and this is to help continue on with our 2019 strategies for the year. And as most of you know, we've been buying a lot of constitutional silver, and we've picked up a few pieces of gold along the way. You know, I've had a few videos on them for the ones that we bought, but we need to continue what I believe is the right strategy, and that is to have constitutional silver, government-issued silver, and gold. Those three things I think are the key. And, you know, generic is important too. I want to make sure I keep the generic one because if I ever do a gold to silver ratio swap, I don't want to be getting rid of government-issued bullion. I want to get rid of generic bullion in that situation because, as you know, government bullion usually has a higher premium than generic does. So if we're just going to trade ounce for ounce, I'd rather use the generic stuff that you paid spot or a few cents above, not government issued. But this is government issued. Got it for a really good price. Found out about it online, and silver dropped a little bit. And so we were able to get this for what I consider a pretty good price. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, let me see how to get into this box. It's not too bad, just cut the end off it, I guess. So let's go ahead and pull it out now. Now in this particular order, I did order a few other things to go along with it. I got a nice special GAW coming up. And I wanted to order, maybe one of these things for that. I'm still deciding exactly what we want to give away, even though we know it's going to be a lot. So here is the other stuff I ordered. Let's go ahead and open up this first. And let me see if I had an invoice in there. I'm sure I did. The invoice must be in with one of these packages. Yeah, the invoice is over here, so I'll take a look at that. Let's take a look at some of this beautiful silver. At least I hope it's beautiful. Oh yeah. Another roll of American Silver Eagles. Looks like I turned my brightness down a little too much here. Let's go back up a little bit. There we go. Oops, maybe a little too bright. Alright, let's not worry about that too much. Alright, so let's open this up. And these are not sealed from the mint, of course, so they just throw tape on it, so it's no big deal to open it up. I want to make sure I got what I ordered anyway. There's a 12 on there, so I might assume that means these are 2012s. And it looks like they are. Yep, a roll of 2012 American Silver Eagles. Those came out of there pretty nice. A lot of times you got to bang them out of there. So let me just go through and just check them just real quick. Looks like they're all 2012s. So what I'll do is I'll just put them upside down, then I'll just put the tube right back on and scrape them off. Let me get my camera a little bit better positioned here. Alright, so we have a 2012. I'm kind of looking at the condition a little bit as we go along too. Just make sure nothing's real scratched up or they didn't slip a cull in there on me. So I did not pay for cull, but I did get these under $20 a piece, which that's kind of my magic number on these things. Something weird about me paying more than $20 for an eagle. You know, someday we're going to have to, I'm sure. But right now, that's kind of my magic number with where silver's at. I believe these were a little over 19, like 1911, something like that. Not the best deal in the world, but certainly not a bad deal. I went out and I looked at a little bit of toning on that one. Sorry, I'm looking at them live instead of the camera. I went out and looked at all the other bullion dealers, and I couldn't find them for under 20 from anybody else. I saw, at max at like almost $21, and that was to buy 20 of them. JM Bullion was $20.70. So, this was at the time a pretty good deal compared to other people. And I bought this from Silver Gold Bull, in case you're wondering. Silver Gold Bull is not necessarily my go-to bullion company because they tend to have higher prices. But on these, they had them for a good price, so I ordered them. Why not, huh? So let's go ahead and get these back in the tube. Oops. And we will cap them up there and say, oh yeah, another roll of Eagles. Ooh, yes. Again, we haven't bought a whole lot of those this year because of our Constitutional Silver purchases, so it's nice to get a few more. So let's see what we have here. Let me get this invoice out of the way. Let's see what else I bought while I was ordering. Gotta love this stuff. Alright. That's some Geiger silver. Let's pull this down, take a look. This is besides a face reveal brand. This is a 20 gram. Came in the with the certificate, so yeah, look at that. This is a Geiger certificate here. This is encapsulated, almost like the graded coins. I think you'd have to break it to get into it. So yeah, this is cool. It's got the serial number. You can see down here, 20 grams, AG999. It's got the production manager, and up at the top it says certificate. So yeah, nice 20 grammer, huh? Certified in the case. I don't remember what this was. Geiger's usually a little bit of a premium, but I think I got it for a good price. That's why I bought it. I wouldn't have bought it from there if it wasn't a good price. So that is the certified version. Why my lights just aren't going to be kind. And then here, if I can get this open, looks like they taped it shut, which is good, so they didn't flap around in the box. This is a 10 grammer and a 5 grammer. And these look a little smaller in real life than they look on the website. But still, you know what? This is Geiger silver. This is classic German silver. So yeah, look at this 5 grammer. Be better if we looked at it in the right direction, huh? I'll hold it right there and zoom in on it. Yeah, look at that, huh? And the 10 grammer, let's get it right next to it. You can see the rated edges on these silver bars. They're got the security measures on them, which is that blue ultraviolet ink. Serial number is also got the blue on it. So that's pretty cool, huh? And then here's the 10 grammer. Oh man, that's beautiful. Love the Geiger bars. So yeah, got plans with these. At least this 5 grammer for sure. This is gonna make somebody happy. This is a nice piece of silver. Gotta love it. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? So we got the 20. Got the 10, and we got the 5. And my phone must be really crooked because, alright, 20, 10, and 5. What do you think about those, huh? Got ourselves a pretty good deal on that stuff. So yeah, I thought you would enjoy seeing some more Geiger silver. Stuff is such classic silver. Gotta love it. And again, this is part of the plans for a big event coming up. So stay tuned, and I hope you follow me on YouTube. I hope you're subscribing and you've got the bell notification clicked on, because I think you want to do that. So let's go ahead and bring this back up a little bit. Zoom back out. Put our tube of Eagles in with it. And, oh, yep, that is a classic silver purchase for sure. Besides the light bouncing off it. If I put my arm up there, it kind of shows you the Geiger. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and do that now. And also, make sure you hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I put out a video. And finally, check out these 2 videos that just popped up. Got some great content out there. I think you'll really enjoy it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.